Unraveling Resolve, dive deep into its meanings. Hey everyone, in today's video, we're diving deep into the word resolve. This is a versatile word in the English language, and by the end of this video, you'll understand its various meanings and know how to use it in sentences. Let's get started. When someone is said to have resolve, it often means they have a firm determination. It's that inner strength or drive to continue despite challenges. Example, after facing many failures, her resolve to succeed never wavered. It takes great resolve to run a marathon. Resolve can also mean making a firm decision about something. When someone resolves to do something, they've decided firmly on a course of action. Example, I resolved to exercise every day to improve my health. After much thought, he resolved not to go to the party. Another common usage of resolve is when referring to solving a problem or disagreement. When issues are resolved, it means they have been addressed and sorted out. Example, the two companies resolved their differences and decided to merge. The detective was able to resolve the mystery. In the fields of science and technology, resolve has a special meaning. It often refers to distinguishing or separating two close objects, especially in optics. Example, this microscope can resolve objects that are only a nanometer apart. Advanced telescopes can resolve distant galaxies more clearly. And that's a wrap on resolve. From determination to decisions, from solving problems to distinguishing objects in science, this word has a myriad of uses in English. Hopefully, you now feel more confident in using resolve in various contexts. Remember, English is a rich language, and words like resolve add to its beauty and complexity. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this video has been helpful.